There are four main components that comprise successful civil resistance campaigns: participation of a diverse coalition, power mapping pillars of support of the designated opposition, commitment to nonviolent discipline, and tactical innovation. The videos that follow will use a gendered lens to analyze and exemplify the roles of women in each of these integral factors that have allowed for nonviolent movements to flourish across the globe. First, with 50% of the population being made up by women, a movement is much more likely to succeed if women join in civil disobedience campaigns. Movements with gender-inclusive ideologies have higher rates of success and bring in larger and more diverse coalitions of participants, which raises the importance of highlighting intersectionality and the realization that women are not a monolith. The ability for women to contribute to a civil resistance campaign can vary across age, class, race, marital status, and several other dimensions. Elderly women may have less of an ability to join a physical demonstration, but might also elicit more sympathy from security forces than younger women do. Next, while women are not always the most visible faces of resistance, they have conducted behind-the-scenes resistance work that maps out the pillars of support of repressive regimes, or even builds alternative institutions that threaten certain pillars. Dolores Huerta epitomizes this through her role in the highly efficient power mapping of the targets of the California grape workers' strike and protest. We also see this in the example of women, specifically Anna Waloszewicz, in the Polish Solidarity movement, as they built an underground newspaper that facilitated communication between key movement leaders and allowed for such successful power mapping to take place. Additionally, women have been key in adhering to nonviolent discipline in global resistance. Studies have found that when women take on larger roles at a campaign, nonviolent methods are more likely to be used, even in highly repressive contexts. This rang true during the first Intifada, where Palestinian women were integral to nonviolent discipline before being sidelined by increasing militarization. Not only are women pivotal in nonviolent discipline during a campaign, but civil resistance expert Marie Principe has also shown that movements centering women are more likely to create lasting and sustainable peace following a campaign. The final and fourth element, tactical innovation, has a rich history of female power that we will explore in the next videos. We often think about the role of women in civil resistance campaigns when we discuss women's issues, such as suffrage and the equal civil rights of women. But as you will see, women have also played an important role in movements across a range of issues, from indigenous and environmental rights in Nigeria to calls for justice for disappeared people in Chile.